Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set payment terms and due dates in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's get into it. Setting clear payment terms helps to ensure that you get paid on time, and here's how to set them up properly. First, when creating your invoice, you'll find the payment terms section on the right side of the invoice editor. You can choose a predefined term from the drop down, such as due on receipt, which means that the invoice is due immediately. Alternatively, you can choose net 30 for invoice due 30 days after the date issued. You can also set custom payment terms by selecting custom from the drop down and entering your preferred due dates. Now, after setting the terms, you just click save to apply them to your invoice. This ensures that the customer knows exactly when payment is expected. Setting payment terms upfront helps to avoid misunderstanding and delays in payment, and it's a pretty useful feature from Wave. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.